Welcome to the channel if you've never been here before, and welcome back if you have. Today is a Mailbox Monday. This is Bullman Built RC. This is where I show you all the things I got in the mail for the last week or so, and we go over what I'm going to do, what they're for, etc., etc. Let's go! First up, and most importantly, is this. I got this from my friend Matthew up in Canada, in the land of the maple syrups and the funny monies and stuff. He sent this to me the other day, and we opened it up on the Monday Night Live. If you haven't watched, I do a Monday Night Live every Monday, usually with Jordan and Doug, and we talk about all the things and jazz and business and just talk smack and do car stuff, so you should check it out. But Matt sent me this, he goes by Teleguided, if any of you know him. This is a dumpster. He and Jordan had a joke going about Jeeps being trash, so you got the Jeep grill, says Jeep, and this says sucks. And then the rest of it is basically all customized for me, honestly. You have Next, and then you've got China No, and you have my my stupid face and my little logo and everything. Then you've got like a picture of my shirts. Then you have Bofum, which means Bofum, like both of them. It's a little inside joke. Cat Found, which is actually a possum. Ford, which is also garbage. And then basically some other stuff up here. You know, you got my dumb face and a Mailbox Monday cover. And then you have like the normal warning signs, my face. And then it's all, you know, kind of like dented and heated up and everything. This is scratch built from styrene, other than, I believe he said, the lids. A couple pieces that he made on a 3D printer to put together. I think these are 3D printed, I believe. But the actual base of this is all styrene. Super sick. The wheels do kind of roll, not real well. They're a little tight, but with time they'll probably roll a little better. It does have a Toyota axle on the front. And then inside, I got some stickers. That's all of them. So inside is also stained and weathered and everything. And then I got Send Cut Send, Made in America, Loved by Canada. And then a bunch of Spec RC stickers, which is cool because I have a set of Spec and I did not get any decals with them because I got them secondhand. So then there's a Send Cut Send sticker. Super rad. He did that just out of the kindness of his heart because he's Canadian and they are very nice. And I'm going to put it right there, and I freaking love that thing. So once again, for the bazillionth time, I thoroughly appreciate that, Matt. Next! I got an Amazon package. It had some things in it, and these were in it. I am going on a little birthday run for sixes, basically. We are all taking our SCX 6s out and going to a creek that's semi-local. Just kind of going to drive down. Hopefully I don't fall on anything this time, because it is, if you are a long-term watcher, the same place that a couple years ago I fell on Jordan's poor little truck. We nicknamed Squish Top. And with it being a 6 scale and all the way out, God only knows where, through this creek, I do not want to carry that thing back. I don't think I can break it on a 4-cell without doing something super stupid, but I only had like 7,000 milliamps and I really want to make sure that I'm good. So I bought some 4,000 milliamp LiPos. I got 2 of them, so now I have almost 16,000 milliamps, which should be plenty. I just don't know how long we're going to stay out, and I don't really feel like risking it. And for the price, it'd be kind of nice to just not have to worry about it if we go somewhere like Beat the Creek. I can charge all these and then just take it all weekend. That way I don't have to mess with charging them again, and etc. etc. So I did get that. I was going to step up to 6S, but I discovered a small problem with my 6 that I'll show you here. The last time I didn't have the battery in the right spot, and it wore through part of the motor wire. And I figured that I know it's safe on 4S, but I'm not 100% sure what 6S will do to it, or 8, because my ESC is an 8-cell Mamba, and maybe it'll take it. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna get that fixed before I go crazy. So I got some batteries. Long story long. Next! Forgot about this part. There. Now next. Speaking of SCX6 things, I have a driver that is some random guy that I got, and I have 2 seats in my 6. And so I was strolling around Target with my daughters today and found this gal. Don't know what she's supposed to be, but she was the only one that wasn't in a dress and looked semi-normal-ish to where maybe she would be in a passenger seat going out crawling. So she got little overalls on and stuff and jazz, and I don't know. I'll probably, I gotta glue the sunglasses to her face. But other than that, all her little accessories can just, they'll go in the toy box. But I got that. Pretty excited because now my guy has a girlfriend or a wife, or maybe they're just friends. Maybe they're BFFs. I don't know. Yeah, got that. Next. So speaking of Barbies, we found these things. They're mini brands. I saw someone else do a video slash like thing on them, whatever you want to call it, just a couple days ago on Facebook. So we got the Pizza Hut old school red cups, which if you're old like me, you know what this is about. This, I don't know what the hell this is. Some sort of red shit on rice with like half a lettuce head. I got a pretzel. Whoops. Got pretzel. Kura revolving sushi bar. It's a fish, some rice, and some red stuff. Not sure what that's supposed to be. Maybe fish eggs or something. Tacos from Jack in the Box here. Well, tacos. Sushi, which is good with me. More sushi, which I'm always good with. The Edge. Pizza. Got some pizza in there. Put that in something. This is Jack in the Box. Jack in the Box something. I don't know what this is. Oh, it opens here. There. Aha! Jack in the Box pretzel bun cheeseburger, or some sort of burger, I think. Like that, it closes. This is smoothies, juices, and bowls from, I don't know, Wiggly Stick? I'm not sure. Jack in the Box. More pancakes. Everybody likes pancakes. I got, what the hell does this go to? Oh, this probably goes to this. So that goes there. Not sure where that's from. But Detroit style pizza, the Pizza Hut. This one's a pain to open. I remember that. Alright, you're just gonna take my word for it. There's a pizza in there. In here. Another Pizza Hut cup. Cinnabon! And then this actually has the Cinnabons in it. Super, super cool. And more Cinnabon with the little bun things in there. So, I got those. Not sure what I'm gonna do with them. They'll probably just end up being glued into different cars and trucks and things. Some of them are a little large for 10 scale, but some of them are a little small for a 6 scale. So I'm not 100% sure what they're going to do, but I got that. Next! Off of the eBay, I got this thing. I won this thing for like $8. Then it was shipped, and it was already broken from what I can understand, and this was from Extreme Scale Performance. He used to have a different name. I can't remember what the name of his channel was. I didn't know who he was until I looked him up. But this guy that I got it off of got it secondhand. So this, I don't really know a whole lot about it. It was built for a thing called Scale Wars. This is a 13-inch body, not the Enduro like 12.3, but it has a light bar. It has a mob audio that if this thing works and I can figure out how in the hell it works, then this is worth all of the shipping and payment and everything like that. That thing's super sick. I got 2 seats, one of which is broken, the other of which was over there because it fell out. But it does look like it has dash lights. I'm not 100% sure exactly what was going on. It has a lot of wiring in this area here, as you can kind of see. The lights fell out of the front. Pretty sure something would have gone in here, but oh, yep, that works too. It got yanked out, and so now the wires aren't attached. But this thing is just, it's got rock lights. Under here, it has tail lights, it had headlights, and some sort of maybe little fixture for something else. I'm not sure. I don't know. For the price, like I said, if the mob audio stuff works, I'll do something with it. I may sell it. I may chop it up into a buggy, as you know, everything around here is dangerous. Hiya! So I'm not real sure, but I got that. I did open it already. To be nice, I had to let everything air out a little bit before I could show you. So I got that. Next. Oh, Springs. I've been looking for these, wondering where they went. These are Enduro Springs. So a couple weeks ago, I showed you guys my Tamiya Beetle Losi conglomeration thing I got from Andreas Scale Metal Supplies. These are the springs that are supposed to beef up the spring rate, I guess. They're supposed to be beefier springs, let's put it that way. Because when you add all that weight of the chassis and everything else and the bigger body and all that stuff, if you use those soft springs, it's just full hammer, like full droop, doesn't do anything. So I got these. Hopefully that will help. I don't know. So I'm gonna put these on the wall, and then one day I'll put them on the Beetle. Got that. Next! Speaking of Andre from Scale Metal Supplies, I got these from him. He is local to me. I am a Scale Metal Supplies dealer, and I try to push his products as much as I can because they are super rad. So these are the horse grills. This is the wide one. This is the narrower one. I can't remember. I think this one's 2.5 inches or something like that, and this is, I don't know, like 3 or 4 or whatever. They go on buggies. Basically, you bend these little tabs, put them in there, good to go. Not 100% sure what I would do with them, but they were there and he was there, and I was like, I'll pick those up just in case somebody else wants them, or I can use them. So, got that. Next! I stopped at my local, semi-local-ish hobby shop and picked up some, what the hell was I there for? I don't remember what I was there for, but I got some paint while I was there. Spastix Candy Apple Red. I got some Traxxas Transparent Metallic Frost. Some white. Let's see. Transparent Metal Flake, which is super cool. Some metallic silver, which basically might as well just be called silver metallic flake, because if you spray this in your garage, it looks like a stripper is in your face. And black. I like Traxxas Paint. They don't have all the colors that I wish they kind of did. They have some kind of like wild stuff instead of like some muted down colors that sometimes I use. But as a backer, this black and this silver are killer. Can't really do much better, especially for the price. I think this is like 20 bucks, $18, something like that. This is like the size of 5 Tamiya cans. Way better as a backer than anybody else. So I got those. That wraps up Mailbox Monday. I appreciate you watching. Make sure to check me out on Facebook groups, and Instagram, Bullman Built RC, across the board. Like I said, join me on Monday nights live on YouTube at 7 o'clock Eastern Time, and I will see you later. Bye. So I'm pretty sure that this one would have been lit, but something yanked out. How's it go? Here we go. Made in America, appreciated by the Canada, I think, something like that. Yeah. If you haven't watched, we do a Monday Night Live, actually. Monday Night Live. He sent this to me the other day, and we opened it up on the Monday mail. Fart balls. He sent this to me on Monday, and we opened it up on a mailbox. Or nope, that's not what we did. He sent this in to me on a live. Nope. Yeah. Let's see. Okay. I'm gonna cut out that whole intro, or the whole like opening cold thing, and then we'll just do that, and then we'll. All right. Welcome to the channel if you've never been here before, and welcome back if you have. This is blocking the microphone, and that's done. All right, let's try that for the 15th time. This looks like a pretzel bun pizza, or pizza. God damn it. I am a metal. Nope. This is where I go over all the things I got in the last week or so. Nope. Start that over. All over. Welcome back to the channel. Nope. Nope. I don't like that at all. It's stupid. I may make one.